all doing today? Hope we're all just doing amazing. Today we're going to be listening to Landmark's song is Rainfall, official music video. This came out on October 2nd of this year, so like 2 days ago as I'm recording this. And it's already got, 36,000 views, so they're popping off. They're going off. I think I've heard of one breakdown from Landmarks and it was insane. That's all. That's all I know. I don't know anything else from these guys. I know this is the newest song. Heard everyone hyping this song up, so I'm just gonna get right into it. I have no idea. Also, I have all my socials in the description to my Instagram and TikTok, and then I have a set list for my Try Not to Headbang challenges. All that's down there. Check it out. And if you guys want merch in the future, comment as well. I'll think about it. But yeah, let's get right into it. 3, 2, 1, go. Take one.
Mon genou il s'est déboîté. Oh damn. One move.
Oh.
Ouais, je crois. Oh fuck.
Broke his knee already? Jeez.
One fucking move.
He's gonna play guitar in the wheelchair. That's metal right there, bro. But I'll find a way, yeah, you give it up. Eyes, pain, sorrow. Gotta put in my chest, I'm gonna lose control. Oh, okay. You're just a rainfall, but it feels like time. Cause every night what's there to die for the rejection from? Woo. Oh, what are we doing? Oh, that is a sick riff. Take a look at my eyes. I don't need to pretend you can see my body shaking, so I'm not gonna fake it. No, I'm not gonna fake it. Never choose a waste of time. It's alright, I'm gonna try for everyone. Oh. Far away. Every trace of you. I can see your face, but I see right through you. One, two, four. But I'll find a way, yeah, you give it up. Dude, this is sick already. Got a pain in my chest, I'm gonna lose control. I see the rainfall. You're just a devil in a different form. What? This is bouncy, bro. Oh no. What's in the eyes? What are we doing? What are we doing? Uh-oh. Are we doing it? I know what's coming, come on. Oh! Alright. Okay then. Landmarks. Where have you been all my life? How am I just finding out about you guys? I got absolutely warm from that one. Jeez. Gotta take them off. Rainfall, man. Sorry about your leg, bro, or your knee. That's a unfortunate incident on take one as well. That's that's just unfortunate. That's just unfortunate. The entire song, the riff was just the whole entire song was just a headbanger. The vocals are just killing it as well. I gotta check out more from these guys. The one I heard, Empty Place, I believe that's the one I heard. That's the breakdown I heard. That one was just nasty. That breakdown in this song was just rude. Oh, man. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. Definitely gonna check out more from them. Checking out more from them. I can't talk ever. So thank you all so much for watching. Links to my socials be in the description. And I'll see you all later. Have a good day.